Trump commutes sentence of former Gangster disciples leader Larry Hoover. President Trump has commuted the sentence of notorious former Chicago street gang leader Larry Hoover, who was serving multiple life sentences in federal prison. Hoover, 74, the co-founder of the Chicago gang Gangster disciples, was already serving a 200-year sentence on state charges in Illinois for the 1973 murder of 19-year-old neighborhood drug dealer William Pookie Young. When he was convicted of federal charges in 1997 and sentenced to 6 life terms, federal prosecutors had accused him of leading a criminal enterprise to continue overseeing the gang while in prison in Illinois. Hoover is currently serving 6 life sentences in a maximum security prison in Colorado, according to federal prison records. It's unclear how soon he will be released from federal custody, but he still faces the remainder of his 200-year sentence in Illinois, dating back to 1973 for Young's murder.